Hello, my friends. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Python so that we can actually start coding together. The first thing we need to do is to download Python. So if I go Python here and go to the main website, python.org, here you can easily navigate to Downloads tab. And once you're here, based on your machine, the operating system that you're running, if you have a Windows, you can just click here and download the Windows version. If you're using Linux or a Mac OS, you can just download the version that you need. And once you download it, it's pretty straightforward. I'm not gonna bore you with, the installation process. It's pretty straightforward and easy. But once it's done, to make sure that it's properly installed, you can open a terminal if you're using a Mac or a Linux machine. And if you're on a Windows machine, I guess in the search bar, you can just go CMD. And when you enter, it opens a terminal for you. Anyway, once you're here, you can actually just go Python, and it opens Python for me. But as you can see, it says the version that I'm using here is 3.8.0. which is obviously different from the 3.11.5, which is the latest version available. I think I have multiple versions installed on my machine, but that's not a big deal. I did install the latest version as well. So if I go Python 3, yeah, here we go. 3.11.5, this is the Python, so it opens Python for me. And just to make sure, we can just go a very simple command here, print hi, and it prints, so x equals 2, for example, and then print x. So yeah, we have Python and it's working. That's all we need. So you can start actually coding here. But as you can see, it's not the most beautiful screen to look at. It's very black, and it's not easy to code in a terminal. So what I usually recommend is to get an IDE. You can use whatever IDE that you want. My recommendation is just the VS Code. It's Visual Studio Code. It's by Microsoft and it's free. You can download it here. Or another IDE that it's widely used is called PyCharm. This is also a free IDE that you can use. If you don't like this, I don't think this is the correct website. JetBrains, PyCharm, this guy in here. So yeah, I was saying you can download it here. If you don't like the VS Code or the PyCharm, you can actually just use something as easy as Notepad++, for example. It's whatever you feel more comfortable with. But in this course, I'm gonna use VS Code. I have it installed on my machine, and just looks like this. I think it's enough for today's video, and yeah, so make sure that you go ahead, install it. In the next video, we actually start coding together, and the fun begins. So see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.